How to hide apps on MacBook desktop. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. The first method is to create a new folder. Right-click on the desktop and select a new folder, and then tap on it and name it something like apps or hidden apps. Next, drag the app shortcuts or files you want to hide into this folder. Further, place the folder in Documents or another directory to remove it from view. Method 2. You can use stacks to organize desktop. Stacks group similar items together on your desktop, reducing declutter. So right-click anywhere on the desktop and in the menu that appears, select Use Stacks. Your desktop icons will be grouped by type, example, apps, documents, and images. And method 3, you can hide running apps from the dock to keep your desktop less cluttered. Open System Settings or System Preferences and then go to the dock and menu bar. Further, toggle on the Automatically Hide and Show the Dock option. The dock will now appear only when you move your cursor to its location. So, this is how you can hide apps on MacBook desktop. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.